What's up, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. So this is a big one today. So this is going to be kind of a 2-day split. Right now with Josh here, we're in the Suburban. He looks like a gangster, I know.
Crazy one is here.
And we're headed down to south of Las Vegas, like southwest, and going to pick up a C8 Corvette. My kind of quick review. There's plenty of reviews out there. I'm a Corvette fanboy, according to Savage Geese, so we'll see how much of a fanboy I am. I don't know. Basically, though, I'm getting that car to go to this event, and we're going to check out that event later in the video, so stick around. You're watching Night Drive TV. Alright. Yep, she's definitely wrapped. Well, guys, this is it. This is the C8 we're going to be using here. Lots of tire wet on there, so interested on how much that sprays everywhere. But yeah, at least we got a cool one to use for the day, and we'll get to that. So right off the bat, that mirror is cool. I had heard about it, that it's, you know, it's obviously the camera in the back, but man, that's a pretty cool view right there.
All right, so Damien's getting ready to get into the C8. I think he's kind of put it off. I think he's going to be tough on this thing, to be honest with you. You know, he's driven a lot of cars. I don't know, we'll see how it goes.
So right off the bat, very cool car on the inside, clean interior, pretty well kept. This has about 13,700 miles on it. We have telescoping function, that's really nice. Good driver position. Let's see here. So that's definitely good. Yeah, I mean, the seats, I tell you, wow, that's huge. Air's working well. These vents, I was curious about these little vents, but yeah, they feel pretty nice. We're in Z mode now. We've got Josh out there. He's gonna get a little view here. It was interesting. A lot of, I guess it was kind of fighting for traction there. He probably has tire wet all over the rubber, but feels different. I mean, there's no question. The braking's pretty responsive right off the bat, but oh yeah, we got a lot of the Ackerman steering jumpiness, but interesting. Let's go into manual mode. We're gonna see. The tranny's good. Let's be real. The tranny's good. Definitely breaks traction. Now that's pretty common in Vegas because there's just a lot of oil on the roads, a lot of silica in the sand and whatnot. So it's just completely different. You know what I mean? It's the best thing I could say about it is it feels nothing like a Corvette at this point. Got another Corvette here. Just a base model, but. Riding next to him, little Corvette action there. Just talking on the phone to whatnot. That looks badass, Got to talk to the Corvette guys, you know what I mean? It's a different, it's a different car, you know what I mean? It feels very similar in terms of power delivery, like you would expect. It's not incredibly, I would say, fast from like certain rolling speeds. It feels, if anything, it feels even. Obviously, where you really get the advantages is just having that gearing and from low speed and whatnot. Downshifts are pretty crisp, just in automatic mode. I've got, you know, for me, I mean, I'm sitting comfortably. I have enough leg room. If I had a helmet on, I'd be touching, I think. So I'm going to need a little time with it. I don't want to say I'm not blown away. Haven't really felt out the steering, but on center definitely feels tight. I can't really tell how much feel it particularly has, but I like the wheel actually, you know, and that's something that you know, I really like having a wheel that feels controllable. It actually feels small in diameter, so I really do like that. And visibility, honestly, when you have this camera rear view, it's really good. As a driver, it's super comfortable. This does not have the mag ride in it. It's a Z51 car though, as I was told, and I really thought mag ride and Z51 went hand in hand, but I think I do recall now they were kind of exclusive to each other, so you can really a la carte everything. So I'm so used to. I went to push a clutch. It's a freaky situation with no clutch, but wow. I mean, I think what impresses me the most is the ride quality. I mean, the ride quality is very good, and you know, for non-mag ride, which I know the mag ride is just going to be tremendously better, but yeah, I mean, if I'm impressed by anything, I think it's just how well the damn thing rides.
It's good so far.
It's the girl's next door. That's the next door neighbor's wife.
Feels good.
She's like, dang.
A lot going on.
I'll be over that.
As I said, it feels very refined.
Oh yeah.
This feels very.
See, it ain't like the fastest car on the road, but it's quick. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's quick. This is a lot.
Yeah, for the passenger, it definitely feels like stay over there.
Stay over there.
You ain't part of this experience. That's it.
Wow, that's very smooth.
Diving in. Oh, it's pushing. She's pushing. Whoa, look at that. She snaps.
Oh, snappy. I'd have been in the trees.
Look at that.
It feels gamey.
It is gamey.
Sitting in the seat even feels gamey.
I will say that the steering wheel, when I was feeling it wash out, I didn't really, you don't feel kind of what the car is doing as much as I think I'd like to, you know what I mean? And that could be the tire. I have to look over this a little bit closer.
I mean, they had so much tire wet on it, that could have been the problem.
That's what I said earlier. I was like, I probably got silicone on my shit.
I mean, it's up the friggin' sides. It was in the wheel wells. I mean, they juiced this thing up.
He's like,
got that soul glow. Soul glow.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy.
well, guys, we're here at the Waldorf, and so we're a little bit early. That was kind of something I talked to Frank about. We just get here a little early, get settled in, know what's going on. So I have Lace with me. She's taking pictures. She's ignoring me. Sorry, guys, but she's already trying to take some photos, I guess. But yeah, got a 720 over there. I've got the Porsche Turbo S, so nice cars. So we should have about 20 from what I'm told. All right, so a little seating area, huh, Lace? Lace likes the Waldorf. You like the Waldorf, Lace? Nice and comfy, good pool table. A little coffee machine. Oh, they have chai tea.
Frank started these a few years ago.
Yeah, see it.
I like Art Deco blue.
Yeah. I'm gonna go in for a little meeting. Everybody's gonna go on a cruise. Pretty hot out here for September, to be honest with you. Yeah, we're cooking, so just gonna go on a little cruise and see what happens. Frank here.
After you, sir.
Thank you.
Cars look great, and really excited to get this going again. We started this back when we were formerly the Mandarin Oriental. We had our Mandarin Auto Club. Thank you guys very much.
We got quite the duo right here. Look at this thing. Looks like all bead locked. Tremendous amount of off-road lighting on the side. Love that. Great looking tire carrier back here. Let's take a look at this. Nice beefy tire carrier. Side exits, look, he dented the side exit up. Oh man, you gotta love that. This guy's using it. So this here, quite the machine. Man. What do you think, Lace?
It's pretty cool cars. Loving the Mclaren.
They dented up their exhaust. They're actually using this thing.
It seemed they seem dirty, so I would
Yeah.
assume so. I mean, the windshield's all dirty and everything. So.
Yeah, they were going through it. Nice looking Chevelle here. Got murder, got some bare brakes on it. Little thing. That she's video. I don't want to get in your video. We're both backing up. Frank got the chopper.
I'll go slow out of here.
But yeah, cool cars. Definitely a diverse group. You know, couple older cars, some classic stuff. Obviously, those crazy G-Wagon off-road beasts that I don't even know fit through that tunnel. I guess they do. But yeah, we're going a little cruise, nothing crazy. That's the day, and so it was a pretty cool experience. Was hoping to network a little bit more, but.
Those trucks feel so tall in comparison.
They're big.
They are big. That thing's monstrous.
Well, guys, we're at the Panera Bread. We're gonna get some salad, and I'm gonna head back to the house. And got a lot of kits in assembly process, so I'm gonna be working on those. And if you've watched the video this far, I appreciate it. Throw me a thumbs up if you can. That always helps the video and whatnot. And a lot of other videos coming. I'm gonna really push video production. So my back held up okay. I was really struggling, but you know, Lace got me a heating pad last night, so it definitely helped. So hopefully in the next 2 days, as I get a lot more of these kits shipped out, I have to head up to Dream Racing, and I'm going to introduce you guys to everything going on up there. Really hoping I can be a little bit more mobile and pain-free by then. But we're going to run into Panera Bread here. There's actually a Cars and Coffee where we're at, but we missed this particular one because we were on another cruise, obviously. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching Night Drive TV. But listen to this beast. Oh my God.